This is Christian. I'm gonna show you today how we can get to the 50% as a team with another person on our team downline, so that you can get there faster. Okay. We talked in the previous video about the benefits of being at 50%. But just to go over those benefits again. Number one is that you save 50% on all your purchases. Number two is that you can make 50% profit every time you recommend the products to your friends and family members. Number three is that you can get wholesale commission checks by having members in your team who place orders, and then you get the difference of that. And you can also start earning your royalties, okay, which is exclusively only for supervisors, which is the name for the people who are at 50%. You can also start making production bonuses every single month from your team. And then you can qualify for special promotions by the company, like cash money promotions, special prizes. You can qualify for special events where you can get trained by millionaires and people who are very, very experienced in Herbalife and learn more about the products by the doctors. And then you can also qualify for special paid vacations by the company. Okay, so the goal is to get to supervisor. All right, and this is 50%. Now, in getting to supervisor, there's other two levels that we're going to talk about very, very quickly. Okay, the first one is the senior consultant, which is the 35%. Okay, and this senior consultant is an incredible way to get started, because not only do you get 35%, but you also already have some extra money for your own products. So let's say this is you. Okay, you are a member and you have your discount 25% when you start. Okay, but you have 4 friends who want to also get on the nutrition program to lose weight or feel great. So they each order 120 points from you, okay, which is the healthy breakfast program. In most states, it's about $161 at retail price. Okay, so right here there is pretty much 480 points, plus you place an extra 20 points, so you get 500 points from having 4 people that you are helping with their nutrition. Okay, and they can be your relatives, they can be your friends, right? They can be friends of friends. But when you reach 500 points, you get the 35% discount. Okay, and how can you invite them to want to learn about Herbalife? You can tell them to come to a shake party, okay, or you can invite them a sample, okay, so they can try the products too. Okay, and the next way is the 42, or the next level is the 42%, and there is 2 ways to get here, but we're gonna show you a smart way if you want to go fast in Herbalife. Because if you order 1,000 points together, okay, this is the biggest profit with the least amount of investment. When you order 1,000 points to the company, you already get 42%, so you only pay about $800 for those products. But these products are worth about $1,300, so you make $500 profit, right? When you recommend that to your friends and family, which would be about 8 programs or 8 people that you are helping. Okay, so now let's talk about the supervisor. Now the supervisor, remember, there's another way that you can get there in 1 to 12 months by accumulating 4,000 points. Okay, now of these 4,000 points, 2,000 can be from your team of members that you sign up, and the other 2,000 you have to personally purchase them. Okay, but here's a way of how you can get to 50%, even faster. Okay, so let's say this is you, and you have your cousin who wants to also start on the program, but she already wants to start the program, but at the same time have a discount, but also she knows other people that they want to get started as well, so she could become a distributor and sell the product to them. Okay, so the company says, instead of each of you guys having to do 4,000 points, okay, you guys can do 5,000 points together, and you both qualify for supervisor, and they give you 2 months. So let's give you an example. Okay, let's say we are in February, which we are in February. Okay, so you start your month and you do a shake party and you get your 4 customers and you get 500 points right here. Okay, and your cousin does the same thing, 500 points. So right there you guys have 1,000 in total, right? Okay, and this can happen in the first, or should happen in the first 2 weeks, of the month where you do your shake party. And the goal is to do another second shake party or find another 4 customers that you can help, so that you can do another 500 points, so that you can end the month with 1,000 total, each of you guys. So right there you have 2,000 points. Okay, so that means that in March you don't have 4 customers, you have actually 8. So these customers are going to run out of products, so they have to reorder. And so with 8 customers you will have enough points to do 1,000 points. So 1,000 points each of you. Okay, and then we keep working the month of March, so we can find 4 new customers, and then we would have an extra 500 points from those 4 new customers. So you did 1,500 points, she did 1,500 points in this month of March. If you add it up, it's 3,000. So 2,000 from February plus 3,000 from March equals 5,000. And both of you get to 50%. Okay. Now this is really cool because not only do you get there quicker or faster, but you also make more money because now you're at 50%. So the next month of April, okay, actually when you become a supervisor, you qualify for the April LDW event, which is an amazing leadership training where you get trained by the most amazing people in the company. But also you have in total, you don't have 4 customers, which is how you started. Now you have about 14 or 15 customers. And so in this month of April, you would be making about $1,200 profit from those customers that you are serving. Okay, not counting the new ones that you will get in that month. Okay, and this is how you do it when you have 2 people that want to go for supervisor. Okay, now I'm not gonna delete it or erase it. We're gonna talk about what happens if here's your cousin, but there is somebody else that wants to also become supervisor and get 50% and all the benefits that we talked about. Let's say this person is another cousin of yours, okay? But we found her through your other cousin because she did a shake party. She invited this cousin that wants to do the business too. And now you guys have the opportunity to do, become supervisor. And instead of each of you guys having to do 4,000 points, the company gives you a promotion that you can do 6,000 points and you get up to 2 months to do it. So here we go. Here's February and here's March. Okay, so basically we do the same plan. We do our shake party in the beginning of the month so that we can find 4 customers and do 500 points. And we do the same thing the next 2 weeks, so we accumulate 1,000 points each. So each of you guys do 1,000 points. Each of you guys are making about $400 in this example in that month. And this would be in total 3,000 points. Okay? And in March, we do the same thing and find new customers as well. But let's say that we only did 1,000 points, since we just have to do that in order to get to the 50%, because we have 1,000 points from here, 1,000 points from here, 1,000 points from there, and plus each of you guys doing another 1,000 in March. That's another 3,000. Plus the 3,000 from February is equal to 6,000 points. And all 3 of you become supervisors, right? Let's say A, B, C. And all 3 of you qualify for the LDW event in April, where you're